Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Actually, I'm gonna delete these. Welcome back to another C++ video. This one's probably gonna be another short one. Um, it's just a problem that I saw quite a lot, I guess, when I was learning arrays, and that is how to find the minimum and maximum value in an array. So let's say we're given an array of integers. Let's just call it ARR. And, whoops, and let's say there's about 7 integers in there. Okay. Let's just have the user input them. So int I equals 0, I is less than 7, I plus plus. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask the user to input a value in each spot in the array. So ARR I. So the user is going to input into the array in the index I, denoted by this for loop here. Okay, so let's go ahead and make sure that builds, and that's okay. Alright, cool. So once they enter, you're going to have an array with 7 values, right? So how do we go about finding the minimum or maximum value? Well, let's start with max, and then we can easily change it to min. So max. Alright, since that showed up as green, it probably has another meaning, so let's just call it M, A, I don't know. Doesn't really matter. We're going to make it 0. Okay, so for all we know, maybe all the values are 0. This is the lowest possible value, unless we're doing, I guess, negatives. But in this case, let's just say they're all positive integers. So we're going to go through them again. I could just copy and paste this, I guess, but that's okay. Less than 7, I plus plus. We're going to simply just compare each integer in the array with our maximum value. So if array I is greater than max, then we're going to set the maximum value, equal to the array value. So let's look at this. If the value in the position, let's say it's the first position, is greater than 0, we're going to set the new maximum value equal to that value in the array. And let's say that's the largest in the array, the first one. Then we'll keep comparing, and we'll figure out that, oh, none of these are going to be greater than max. Therefore, max is going to be the first indice value. So now we can display it, if I can spell. Let's say the max is MA. Alright, this should work. We'll see. So we'll put in 2. Let's put in 3. Let's put in 7, 9, 61, 4, and 5. There we go. The max is 61. Because it started out as 0, it said, oh wait, 2 is greater than 0. We're going to set the new maximum value to 2. Then it looks at 3. It says, oh, 3 is greater than 2. We're going to set the maximum value to 3. Well, 7 is greater than 3, we're going to set it to 7. 9 is greater. 61 is greater, so we're going to set it to 61. 4 is not greater, so we're just going to do nothing. 5 is not greater than 61. Therefore, we're not going to do nothing. So pretty much it just compares with every integer value in the array. So if we're doing min, I would set it to, let's see, I would set it to a really large number. So let's just say that. Because the chances of for this purpose, you can use int max, which is the largest integer value allowed, but that's for a different video maybe, because you have to put in a special header and whatnot. But I doubt anyone's going to enter anything larger than this value. So we can change this to mi for min. We just tweak it a little bit. So if arri is less than the min value, we're going to set the new min value to that, and then we'll say the min is mi. No, that's too large. Let's try that. Still too large. Alright, let's there we go. Alright, let's do 9, 64, 78, 3, 34, 12, 11, and there you go. The min is 3. So yeah, I would just use a very large value, and then you can go in and compare values. So that is how you easily find the min and max of an array. You know, maybe give you a little practice with arrays, get used to them. But anyway, I hope this was informative, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.